What is up, you guys? Hope everyone's having a good start to your Monday morning. We're currently coming off of a little bit of a pump on pretty much the entire crypto market as a total. We had a nice pump about a day and a half ago, went up a little more last night, and I think this is really cool, but it looks like we printed the fattest green candle that we printed since September 18th. And specifically, this green candle right here was during Powell's speech. It was literally during his unemployment rate speech, where he pretty much cut interest rates by double than expected, right? So that was extremely bullish news. That set us up into like a little straight up type of movement right over here. Had a cool down at the beginning of the month. And I honestly think this could be really fucking bullish. This could be leading to another higher high right here. And literally just the fact that it is the biggest bodied green candle since the unemployment rate speech, I'm going to consider that to be pretty bullish among all the other factors I'm looking at. But with that said, this video is going to be about certain tokens that could or could not be pre-market indicators. Because, we have all of these data points and indicators to look at, the SMA, unemployment rates, CPI numbers, etc., etc. But a lot of these indicators take present data or even lagging data, which is extremely useful. But I kind of wanted to make a point for coins that pump earlier than everything else, kind of acting as like a pre-pump indicator to the total crypto market as a whole. If you guys have a pretty good diversified altcoin bag, I'm pretty sure some of you are going to be holding Sui and some of you are also going to be holding Aerodrome. These were pretty much my higher conviction bets for the year, so I started accumulating a lot of this back in February and a lot more over the summer. Mostly because I'm bullish on both of these tokens as a whole, right? Because Sui, I think they have some insane traction, transaction speeds, their team/board, the connections that they have, the move language, the versatility that all that comes with. Super bullish, and I kind of always have been. For Aerodrome, this is one of my speculation bets on the base chain as a whole. Because Base itself doesn't have a token. I'm already holding Brett, which is the #1 meme coin on Base, and I kind of wanted a little more exposure to Base because I'm extremely bullish on Base as a whole. So Aerodrome was my play on that, and that seems to be doing insanely well too. And there are a bunch of other coins pumping lately, like Axelar went crazy over the last few days. Phantom had a crazy run back over here, right? But these continuous runners, I'm kind of going to make a case for these being pre-market indicators. So I've been trading Sui at the same time as other tokens such as like Optimism, Jupiter, Injective, Arweave, Link, and it's really been surprising me how the price action of Sui is so much more different than pretty much every other token I've traded. Like Helium is also something that trades really differently, but Sui I think is just on a whole other level of it's kind of just trading in its own little ecosystem. Like certain times when I'm watching the charts, Sui pumps when everything else dumps. When Sui's dumping, most other things are pumping. So it's kind of a strange token to me. I'm still going to be holding it throughout the bull run. I'm pretty bullish on the narrative as a whole, but the way it trades intrigues me. It's still way too early to say anything like, hey, if Sui's pumping, then get ready for another pump when everything else is dumping. It's not that clear cut, but I do see a little bit of a correlation, and I wanted to know, are you guys trading these tokens along with any other coins? Do any of you guys know of any other tokens other than Sui and Arrow that are like the closest pre-market indicator type tokens? There's a lot of things that pump like crazy, and there have even been times where I've seen the total USDT market dominance chart going down and Sui simultaneously going up, which lines up with my theory of, when you're trading multiple coins at once, including Sui, Arrow, and other coins like Optimism, Blink, AVAX, when the total market cap of the USDT dominance typically goes down, maybe somehow some of those profits are ending up back in Sui, so maybe people are doing some pair trades, right? So for example, when AVAX goes down, they'll pair trade that back into Sui. I'm not really sure, but I really want to hear what you guys think. This is kind of a working theory. Obviously, there's not that much like data and stuff to back it. This is literally just something I've been observing. More obvious than that, there's no financial advice here, just thoughts and opinions on the crypto market. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm really curious about hearing some of your guys' thoughts on this. Peace.